Oh, Amazon, what have you done? Hi guys, it's ASBYT and welcome back to a brand new video. Now this is going to be very short and you've got to remember that this has neither been confirmed by Amazon or indeed OnePlus themselves. However, yesterday there was a huge leak from Amazon themselves about the OnePlus 6, insofar as they actually put the image of the phone on the website along with prices. And of course, first of all, the design is pretty much what we expected, but the actual site suggested there would be two colours available on launch, mirror black and a midnight black, which is kind of like obviously the midnight one is going to be glossy and the mirror black is going to be glossy and the midnight black is going to be matte. We were led to believe that there was going to be a white version available on launch, which may still happen, but that also may come later down the line like we saw with the white sandstone on the OnePlus 5T. And on the front you can see a slightly curved display, but not to the extent of, say, the Samsung phones. It's still going to be pretty much flat, but with tiny curves on the sides. Everything else is as we thought. Dual rear camera, vertical, fingerprint sensor below it, very small bezel on the bottom. Outside of that, it's pretty much bezel-less outside of that notch. As for pricing, WinFuture actually claimed that the German Amazon website listed that it would start from 519 euros, which equates to around $600 and of course just over 40,000 Indian rupees as well. Now, of course, one thing to remember is A, like I mentioned at the start, OnePlus haven't confirmed this. Number two, Amazon haven't confirmed this, and this was apparently taken down very, very quickly after it going up. As always with these product launches, the rumour mill will be swirling, and of course I will be going to the launch for the OnePlus 6 on Wednesday in London, and I will have all of the information for you. So if you do want to see that, you do want to see the hands-on, the unboxing, the review, all of that sort of goodness, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell as well, so that when I post those videos, you are notified. First of all, let me know what you think about this information. Do you like the design of the OnePlus 6? Do you like the two different color variants? Is there anything that you think the OnePlus 6 is going to lack, or are you satisfied that it is going to have everything you need and more? Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT, peace out.